Alright guys, this is a KHS blow-off valve. I just bought a brand new turbo. I got it stuffed, so most of you won't have this full effect, but I don't know if it's just because it's stuffed, it sounds so loud, but just got it today and it is screaming. KHS blow-off, HKS, whatever you want to say. I don't know, I always mix it up, it's so weird. But yeah, these are the best ones. Listen to this, if you can hear it inside the car. Woo, it's loud, boys, loud. I'll try and get you another one. My car's like literally fucking an inch off the ground, scraping right now. I gotta raise it. I don't know if you can really hear it inside the car that good on my phone. Don't got that good of an iPhone either, so. Might be windy too while it's out there. But yeah, HKS. Best blow-off valves, 100%. A little bit pricey, but if you want to buy the 2.0 over the 3.8, you got to buy the pricey stuff to get the power that you want. That's it, boys and girls. Best blow-off valve you can buy.